Alright, so today I'll be working on this Chef Samsung microwave. The thing with this microwave, right, this brand, this Samsung brand, the thing with this microwave, you're gonna SE error code. Alright, so I'll plug it on and show you. Alright. Alright, so none of the knobs are working right because it's off right now. Right, so there you have it, the SE error code. So whenever this pop up on display, there's nothing you can do to get this working. Alright, none of the knobs working, as you can see. So the problem now, it could be one out of three things with this brand, this Samsung brand. Right, problem number one, it could be the keypad. Right, they press down. One of the key on the keypad press down. Alright, so that's problem number one. Problem number two, it could be the circuit board. Alright, so the circuit board, this is the circuit board. Alright, it could be the circuit board behind the keypad. It could be the circuit board is the problem. Alright. And problem number three, it could be the ribbon cable. The ribbon cable dirty. So here what I will do, I will unplug this and I will open it up. I done remove the screws already. Oh, there's one more screw. Right, there's one more screw on the side I didn't take out. Alright, so I'll inspect. So alright, this is the ribbon cable, and sometime with this ribbon cable, right, sometimes the cable, it'll be like it collect dust between the cable and the socket, and that is a problem. Right, so that is one of the problem. So I will remove this. Alright, so sometimes it'll be the ribbon is the problem. So the best thing to do now is to clean the ribbon and see. You spray some CRC. Alright, so I'll spray some CRC to clean the ribbon cable. And then I'll spray some of the socket. I'll leave it for a while it dry. And then I'll hook back everything together. Alright, so the cable going in out of bend. I'm gonna make sure this seated correct. Make sure it's going straight and not slant. Alright, so I'll plug it on. Alright, so all enough is working. So here what I will do now, I will pause the video, leave it for a while and see if the SE error code pop up and get back to you, right? Alright, so it's been around 3 minutes and as you can see the SE error code pop up again, right? So the problem now is it's not the ribbon cable is the problem, is one out of two, right? It could be the keypad or the circuit board. Now to fix this, right, you have to change the keypad and the circuit board, because next thing you change the keypad and it's not the keypad the problem, you get the SE error code, right? So to be safe, you must change the keypad and the circuit board together, and the microwave will work again good as new. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, so thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.